Hey guys, Tony. The only way that I'm actually the only way that I'm actually going to, you know, try to perfectly gauge when the altcoin rally is actually going to happen is when we start seeing weak signs of a bull month, like closing, or not closing bearish, but starting to show weak bull momentum. And that's what these darker right here, if you guys can see these darker candles being made, right? So let's actually zoom in, and you see how these dark reverse MACD candles are showing up right here. We're looking for these dark blood candles right there. That's what we're looking for on the reverse MACD. As soon as you start seeing the monthly show signs of a weak bullish candle, that's when you know alt season is about to start, and you can take out everything but in Bitcoin, possibly throw it into all of your alts, and then that's when you see like a massive push to the upside. As of right now, I'm 100% bullish on Bitcoin, and I think it has so much room to run to the upside, right? You're basically on lows right now. You have so much room to run on Bitcoin to the upside, which is absolutely insane. So keep that in mind, right? As soon as you start creating weak bull candles on the monthly, that's when it's time to pull everything out of Bitcoin, throw it into alts, possibly catch like right before the alt season starts, and you just take that shit to the fucking moon for like the next, I don't know, 3, potentially 4 months. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.